Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are down in the description box below, and most of them are in my Amazon store. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when new videos come out, hit that notification bell, and likes, comments, and questions are always welcome. Okay, so yeah, this is temp number 3. One was an orange tail, just kind of went through it. It was not salvageable. And then another one was, I put that sun bright yellow in there. We're not using that. It was just, wow, powerful. So I'm going to stick with the currant, which is an odd color in itself. I'm just going to do something like this. Kind of get it dried. We'll put some more. Now, okay. I'm a little bit torn between this and my airbrush, but I think my airbrush will push it too far, and I don't want the petals to go that far. So that's my thinking, is this will make it go wider, but it won't take it as hard. Does that make sense? We're going to try it anyway. We may do another one with airbrush, see what it does. Okay, I'm starting behind here. Carry it on out. I don't want the little wide end to it. I want it kind of more pointy. Again, I'm coming behind it. So what I had in mind is absolutely not what I'm getting, but I really started liking this. I thought there's got to be a flower in here somewhere. So I'm loving that. So let me get it. Ooh, this is where maybe the air thing wouldn't have been bad. And I love those little things. Jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna keep with it because I like that look, and I love that. That's kind of interesting. All right, let me do my next one. I am gonna turn this. I don't like turning them because I lose my angle. So, but whew, it just goes better this way. It's easier. So I want to do one here to here, this direction. I'll tell you what, let me just put it down, looking at it, and then there. This is why I typically don't like to move my stuff. Let me go ahead and do the other one because my ink's starting to dry. And if I did that one, I want to do here, one here maybe. I like my 3s, y'all know. And the cool thing about this palette is that I can put alcohol in here, or take a brush with alcohol, or this micro brush, and just reactivate it. So I'm not wasting. Almost get that curve just in case. Okay, now I want that to come this way. I'm getting behind it. Now I'm blowing, and I like this side to this side. to keep my petals kind of where I want them. And I need to take that over a little bit. You can tell the moisture is crazy because of these little things that are sticking out, and I want that to run back. Yeah, the moisture's crazy. I kind of want a little bit right here. Don't like how that's going, so let me. I don't mind those little tentacle things. I just don't want tons of them. Okay. So, yeah, the moisture in the air plays a huge role. And you have to make adjustments. So, if I don't want those, I can wipe them off. I'm going to leave them just because they happened. But, yeah. And look at the butt. That almost looks, I mean, I can work with that. That's pretty cool. I've backed up at this one a little bit. I don't want it to be long. I don't want it to get all up in here. So right there's where it's ending. I'm happy with that. That's fine. And quite honestly, I like that. I don't know that I want to do another one. Oh, I may do one right here. Yeah, I'm glad I did that. Again, those little things, the moisture, it's just crazy here. Okay. All right, so now I gotta think what I want to do. I'm going to do leaves. I may do the little spatula, and this is that Princeton Catalyst. I like this. I like this shape. It's pretty easy to maneuver. You can get smaller ones, but I like this one. This is the 04, and it is in the Amazon shop. Yeah, that's, and the current is what's pulling some of this purpley base, which is really cool. And it's got some warm, and it's got the purpley. So current, I like it. I didn't realize, I hadn't played with it enough to know it pulled different hues. Okay. My go-to ink is my sap green. It is just the right thickness to do really well for this, and it's not so much, this is when I was playing with something, it's not so watery, but it's not so thick it won't move. So this is that Daler Ronnie. I know I pronounce things wrong, but it's sap green. I really like it. Okay, let me think just a second. Let me go ahead and put my stems in so I can kind of get an idea where they're wanting to go. You know, do I want to do that with the brush? I do believe I do. Okay. So here's a liner brush. This is not the one I was hunting, and truthfully, I don't even know where it's at. I've been taking paints and stuff places so much it's probably in a bag. It's just longer bristles. And I do want to kind of get that on the watery side so it will go thin for me, thin line. There. That's all I needed that for. And let me think. I haven't decided, but I'm going to do some type of base because the flowers obviously have a greenery that cradles it. I'm just going to haphazardly because I don't want to put a ton of thought into this. I want it to be just kind of something on that order. I'm not even sure. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not 100% thrilled with it, but I wasn't sure how to make that come out. I'll have to do some thinking and maybe do another one of these. So I'm just thinking out loud too. I mean, I'll probably end up liking this, but I am going to go in with something on these so they're not just green because they kind of, this requires more detail. So let's see, I want, okay, I'm going to leave that because the more I mess with it, the worse it's going to get. But on the other hand, you know, it's all right. Yeah. Now what are we going to do? I think maybe doing a lighter green. Or maybe a little bit of a yellow in that. This is Cineleer. What is this? Cadmium, cad yellow. I'm just gonna see what I can mix up. That's still too dark. I like how that breaks it up. It's not... This is white. Now, if you've bought these and you're ready to buy some more, do this. It is 6 ounces. So much better, so much cheaper. I like my bottles and I'll keep them, but... Okay, I'm mixing this mainly with the yellowy green to lighten it up a little bit. That color's a little better. And right now I'm just getting it in there. Yeah, it's a little bit better of a color. Just play with it a little bit. I'm putting some dark back to kind of bring pieces dark, but that color's a little bit better. That's what happens when you work it too much. Don't work it too much. Okay. Don't want to splatter any. Maybe down toward the bottom. And let that be that. Okay, well, there it is. Yeah, I love the flowers. These things are questionable, but I do like it. And it will give me something to play more on. So, all right, y'all go have fun.